Okay, so I saw a video on TikTok about a Haitian spaghetti, so I wanted to try it myself. So here's the ingredients. I added chicken bouillon cube to my pasta water. I saw people making it with like hot dogs or like turkey sausage, but I decided to do beef sausage. So I add my pasta to the water. Don't forget to boil your eggs. Some minced garlic. A little bit of Egypt, if I'm pronouncing it right. I don't want mine too spicy. Peppers. Some onion powder. Garlic powder. Some complete seasoning. Tomato paste. I don't know how much they use. I want a good bit. And some onions. Pasta water. And they're gonna add a chicken bouillon cube. Some butter. And last but not least, add the pasta. Just say I definitely enjoyed this. Definitely will be cooking this again.